Hello, this is Yogeshkumar Rathod. I want to give you some information on Indian history, medieval history. If interested, then listen. Mughal Empire. It was divided between early Mughals and later Mughals. First Mughal emperor was Muhammad Zakir Babur. He fought four battles, including Battle of Panipat. Babur was succeeded by Humayun, who ruled for two times. Then he was preceded by Akbar. Then Akbar was preceded by Jahangir. Shah Jahan and Aurangzeb were the early Mughals. Later Mughals were till Bahadur Shah Zafar II. The longest Mughal emperor rule were Akbar and Aurangzeb. I will give you more information later. Thanking you.